SUAPP AIR. Replace materials. Using SUAPP AIR to replace materials is incredibly easy. Precise control. 3 features let you complete material replacement in just 10 seconds. Feature 1. Material replacement in edit mode. Enter edit mode. Click material replacement. You can choose materials from the built-in library, or upload your own material images. After importing a reference image, use the brush to paint the area you want to replace, then enter a prompt. You can use preset prompts or customize them. Finally, click Create. The material replacement is complete. Note: material replacement has V1 and V2 modes. V2 offers stronger understanding and better results. Feature 2. Creative editing. Enable creative editing. Enter a prompt, click Create. The material is replaced. This method uses text only, and is ideal when you don't have a reference image. Feature 3. Sketch. Enter edit mode, click Sketch. Type the name of the material you want to replace. Use arrows to mark the area. Enter the prompt, click Create. Material replacement is done. For interior material changes, there is an even easier method. Open the prompt presets. Choose Intelligent Editing. Under Interior Design, select Material Replacement. Define the area and enter the new material name. Click Create. The material is updated instantly. Simple, fast, and precise. Go try it yourself.